Hey there, this is Jeremy G, and I just wanted to give a really quick review of my Crystala water filters. I've been using them for several years now, and they've worked really great as a more affordable generic replacement to the branded Samsung water filters. I've never had any issues with them. My water always comes out tasting really clean and fresh, and they're really easy to install. If you've never had to replace your Samsung water filter before, all you have to do is first turn off the pressure that's going to the fridge. Usually that's done with a small valve that should be located directly behind the fridge. Wait a few minutes to an hour for the pressure to go down a bit. After that, you of course need to take the old water filter out, which should be located in the lower right section of the fridge, and you do that by just turning counterclockwise. I usually use pliers to get a good grip on them. There, you of course install the new water filter by just plugging it into the same slot and turning clockwise. Then you turn your water pressure back on, maybe wait a few more minutes to up to an hour for the pressure to build back up. And then you just need to run the water through the filter a few times. Usually I just get a gallon pitcher and fill it completely with water and then dispose of that water before I start drinking it. And that's all there is to it. Now with these water filters, you can get clean drinking water with your Samsung fridge for a fraction of the price.